It's like no matter what time of the day you come through the New Jersey Turnpike, this is what you fucking see. I mean, you can't never catch this turnpike like a straight through. Them motherfuckers want to cut you off. God damn it. Ugh, GB's Christmas, man. That's why a lot of truck drivers they fucking hate. They hate coming. They hate driving up the northern states. Maybe this part, cause of the goddamn traffic, shorty. This traffic is a killer. It's like if you can get past the New Jersey Turnpike and you can get past the G Washington Bridge, then you should be pretty much straight. I mean, you might hit a little bit of traffic here and there after that on 91, depending on where you're going. Once you get off, you just gotta get off at 95. Get your ass off 95, make it through these killer nightmare traffic, and you be straight. But just prepare your clock because this will destroy your clock. You won't have no clock, so you better make sure you freaking trip plan for real when you come up here. So you guys have a lovely, lovely day. I'm trying to make it out of this traffic. It's not like it's not like you can call it 5 o'clock traffic or 4 o'clock traffic or what 12 o'clock noon traffic. This is 24-hour traffic. Period. The G Washington Bridge and New Jersey Turnpike traffic. It don't matter, dude. Like it don't matter. I mean, shit. I mean, hey, I love it though. I mean, to me, it's kind of nice scenery. And then like I like I like the fast pace. I ain't gonna front. I like the fast pace of up here and everything. It's just this traffic. This traffic will, if you don't cuss, this traffic will make you cuss because you gonna have so many people cutting your ass off. You gonna have so many people probably when they cut you off when they run be like, I'm like, nah, boy, who you giving the middle? I'm tired of middle fingers getting thrown at me. Let me see another middle finger and it's over. Let me see another middle finger and I swear, mother suckers throwing middle fingers because you wrong. What kind of crap is this? What's really going on? Then you gotta make sure you don't take the wrong part of the highway because, like I said, certain highways is for trucks and certain parts is for cars. So y'all drive safe out here.